Moroccan fish. It's so delicious. It's a family favorite, must try. I use my grandma's recipe with my own twist on it, starting by infusing my spices on Pantone Chef pan. And the best part is to drizzle the tahini into your sauce. It will make it creamy, next level, and all your vegetables will be caramelized in it. So good. Full recipe on thetahinigoddess.com, link in bio. Don't forget green herbs, lots of green herbs. It's the Mediterranean kitchen, and cover the fish with all that goodness. Get ready. Your house is going to smell insane. Drizzle some more tahini on top because every day with drizzling, that combination is wow. Don't forget to dip your bread in that delicious